In this video we're going to show you how to use the Berkana Stick Pad with Spooky2 Radionics 3 dial and the Spooky2 Generator X. I'll show you how to connect the devices and how to operate the stick pad correctly. So we are now going to run through the connections for Spooky2 Generator X, Berkana Radionics, Spooky2 Radionics 3 dial and the Berkana Stick Pad. So for the purposes of this video we are using the Generator X. The XM signal generator can be used also. So first we need to attach the Spooky2 boost, so we can use the BN Radionics healing preset. We are using G1 generator. Attach the BNCs, and with Spooky Radionics you should have received a female to female BNC adapter which will allow us to connect to the boost port. We are using the BN connection, and then we take one of our BNC cables and connect that to the BN port. Apply power to the Generator X. Power it on. And we connect our Spooky2 Radionics device to the input. And we take our stick pad, which you should have received a cleaning cloth with the stick pad. This cleans the acrylic surface and helps with the stick reaction, stops reducing false positives. So we'll take a second BNC cable and connect that to Spooky Radionics output. And then to the input of the stick pad. Adjust the cables. And we select G1 and Radionics Healing. Start. And start again. And the system is active. So we are now going to run through how to use the stick pad. And as many people now know, the stick pad is often used in place of a pendulum. It makes it much quicker to do radionic analysis than using a pendulum, but it is less detailed. It takes some getting used to using the stick pad, and it's quite hard to explain via video or in text. It's much easier to pick up in person, and I'll do my best to describe it. You need to start off with clean hands, dry hands, and a clean stick surface. The finger will pull freely along the stick pad when there is no response. When there is a yes response, it will be grabbed, so the finger will not move freely. So in this demonstration we are going to tune into a tincture which you place on the input and set the generator running. And we start to tune the dials slowly. We start with the first one, running a finger along it slowly, about the same pace you are tuning the dial, and it will grab. And this one's grabbed at 2. And sometimes I like to check it again. And it's grabbing at 2. And move on to the next dial. It's about 3.5. 4. Stick at 4. Move on to the next dial. Two and a half. Adjustment 3. So we now have a rate tuned in of 2, 4, 3 for the tincture we have on the input. That's all there is to it really. It's hard to explain the actual grab reaction until you feel it for yourself, but the finger will not pull. So you gentle strokes across it, lifting each time, then it grabs. When you've made a stick reaction, that is the yes response.